Hey, this is Prep Chemistry Tips presenting all the formulas of electrochemistry. So guys, before any competitive exam, you must do quick revision of electrochemistry formulas from this video. So I hope this video will remain so much helpful for you. Let's start these formula quickly one by one. So first formulas is related to resistance and conductance. Okay, so resistance is equal to rho L upon A. Resistance is directly proportional to L and inversely proportional to area, and rho here is resistivity. R is resistance, rho is resistivity, L is length, and A is area. So this formula is so much important because many other formulas are derived from this formula. Okay, so this is resistance and G is conductance. So conductance is inversely proportional to R. So G is equal to 1 upon R, and here kappa is equal to specific conductivity. If conductance is directly proportional to R, then specific conductivity is inversely proportional to resistivity. Okay, so kappa is equal to 1 upon rho. Here rho is resistivity. So now kappa is equal to 1 upon rho, and we can find out relation of kappa with R from this formula. So it is 1 up by R, L upon A. So if we want to find the relation between kappa and conductance, then it is G 1 upon R is equal to G into L upon A. Okay, so another is cell constant. Cell constant is G star and it is L upon A. So from this formula, kappa is equal to G into L upon A, and we know L upon A is G star. So kappa is also G into G star. So guys, in any competitive exam, the questions are related to all these, and these two things are given and one we have to find out. So you have to derive relation by putting values into each and other formula. Okay, so another is equivalent conductivity. This is equivalent conductivity and it is equal to specific conductivity into 1000 upon normality. Okay, this is the formula of equivalent conductivity. Next is molar conductivity. So this is molar conductivity is equal to specific conductivity into 1000 upon molarity. In equivalent conductivity, here is normality. In molar conductivity, here is molarity. Okay, now variation of molar conductivity with concentration. So this is the equation of variation of molar conductivity with concentration. It is most important equation in many of the exams. It is put out that which is the equation of conductivity relation with concentration. So must learn out this, and graph between this is molar conductance into concentration, and it is a strong electrolyte, this is weak electrolyte. So the greatest limitation of this law is that it does not define the molar conductance of weak electrolyte at infinite dilution. Okay, because strong electrolytes conductance must be derived from here at infinite dilution, but weak electrolyte doesn't touch this line of infinite dilution. So to overcome this limitation, Colroach law come out, and it gives the molar conductance of weak electrolyte at infinite dilution. So important formulas from Colroach law. First is degree of dissociation, denoted by alpha, is equal to molar conductivity at any concentration by molar conductivity at infinite dilution. Okay, next is dissociation constant. This is Kc is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. This alpha here is degree of dissociation. Next is solubility of sparingly soluble salts. So formula for solubility is derived from this formula. This is molar conductivity is equal to kappa into 1000 upon molarity, and in case of solubility it gives kappa into 1000 upon solubility. So from this formula of solubility is this one. Okay, next is cell constant. So this is electrochemical cell E naught at standard conditions is equal to E cathode minus E anode. This is a formula to calculate E naught cell. So guys, one important thing I want to tell you, that if you have any cell in this way, zinc positive, Ag positive, Ag, this is the representation of cell. So this is oxidation because goes to higher oxidation state, and this is reduction. Reduction occurs at cathode and oxidation at anode. So guys, we have to apply this formula, but here, look here, this is E naught zinc to positive zinc. This is the reduction potential because oxidation state decreases, and this is 0.76. This is also reduction potential 0.80, and you have to put standard reduction potential value in this formula. If you have given this E naught in this way, so it is not standard reduction potential, this is oxidation potential, then simply you change sign. So you have to convert it into standard reduction potential to put out in this formula. Otherwise your value of E naught cell will be wrong. So this is EC, E cathode is equal to 0.80, and this is E anode, this is 0.76. So 1.56 volt is the value of E naught cell. Okay, next is Gibbs free energy. Formula is NFE cell. N is number of electron transfer. This is Faraday E naught cell. E cell. For standard conditions, standard Gibbs free energy, we use E naught cell. So guys, here is Nernst equation. This is the most important equation. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N log. This is the concentration of product, and this is the concentration of reactant. Okay, concentrations are given in the question. So mostly the concentration of only one product and one reactant is given, and you have to put out the values and solve this complete Nernst equation for E cell. So guys, here if any atom give in solid state, then conductance is equal to 0. Conductance is equal to 1. Okay, so you not have to put this value here. Okay, so the particular conductance value given are put out and solve out the Nernst equation. But if we are talking about equilibrium, then at equilibrium E cell is equal to 0. If E cell is equal to 0, then this one, the Nernst equation, E cell, E naught cell minus in this way. Okay, so if E cell is 0, then this one is arranged here. So E naught cell is equal to 0.0591 upon N log. Here is the equilibrium condition. So this is the equilibrium constant Kc. Okay, so this is the most important formula. All the formulas of Nernst equations are very important. Also this equilibrium formula. So guys, we know delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. It is also equal to 2.303 RT log Kc in the forms of equilibrium constant. Next, another very important, these all formulas are very important guys. Okay, so questions from any of the formula are derived. देखिए entropy change, this is the entropy change, and formula is NF delta E upon delta T. Okay, derivation of E cell. And ionic mobility, it is denoted by V positive negative, and this is molar conductivity at infinite dilution upon F. F is equal to 96500 coulomb. It is 1 Faraday. According to Faraday law, W work done is equal to Z into Q. Q is charge here, and Q is equal to I into T. So these are the two formulas you can put out according to given values. T is time period, and Z is equal to E upon F. E is equivalent weight, and equivalent weight are derived here from molar mass upon charge transfer. Okay, so this is E, equivalent weight, F is equal to 96500 I into T. This is 3-4 relations of work. Okay, so these are all the formulas of electrochemistry. I think hardly any formula remain out. So guys, please cooperate if you like my videos. Thank you so much for watching.